Being a winner in life means growing as a person and building healthy relationships. To do this, cultivate a fulfilling lifestyle filled with love and positivity. Practice confident thoughts, even if you don't feel confident initially. Think positively and tell yourself that you can overcome obstacles. Act confident with body language, like standing up straight and avoiding crossed arms. Smiling, even if forced, releases endorphins and boosts confidence. Stop negative thinking by reframing negative thoughts into positive or neutral ones. Try learning new skills, like knitting or a foreign language. Learn from your mistakes by taking accountability and figuring out how to do things differently next time. Align your passion and interests with a fulfilling vocation, whether it's your profession or a hobby. Express gratitude daily by finding something to be grateful for and keeping a gratitude journal. Practice mindfulness by being present in the moment and noticing your surroundings. Meditate and focus on your breath for 15 minutes each day. Mindfulness can help with depression, anxiety, stress, memory, focus, and overall well-being.